Why am I at Zone Off-Road? Well, I'm having a little bit of a tester out. I'm here to have FOX suspension or shock absorbers fitted. The FOX has offered to fit the shocks. They would like me to give a review on it and to test them long term and give honest opinions on them. So I'm here today to have that fitted. Let's go upstairs and we'll get some more technical information from Corne at FOX about the suspension or the shock absorbers that are going in. Corne, thank you. Thanks for having us this morning, and thank you for the very kind offer to test these things. I can't. I'm trying to conceal my excitement.
Initially, I spoke to you and I said we're going to fit the 2.0s with the external reservoir, which is adjustable. But looking at what you've got and the weight of the vehicle and what you carry in that, you know what, we're gonna overload the smaller ones. So we opted for the bigger ones and put the top of the range in that can handle punishment.
Did
can
you hear
handle
that?
all
Top
that.
of the range. Top of the range. I'm just saying.
So what we've got here is for each and every shock that comes out of the factory from FOX, you'll notice on the bottom here is two numbers. Now the two numbers, one is a product, the part number of the unit itself, and the other one is the manufacturing number. On that they can trace on this unit they can trace back to the factory exactly all the parts that went in here.
All right. Exactly
from who they received those parts, who built it.
There isn't a 66219-6-014.
Not another one.
This is the only one.
We've got the drawings for it. So on this drawing is the rebuild data, how much oil goes back into the shock when you rebuild it, if the seals goes.
So there will be wear items on a thing like this. So you're saying that you can take this apart and service it when it needs servicing.
100%.
Which I can't do with my current ones. Not that there's anything wrong. You actually have to cut them open to seal them and you weld them up again. So they are, but it's not realistically, you can't put it on a workbench and bring it and say, I just want to have the thing revalved. I need a little bit more compression or a little bit more rebound.
That's right.
This, I guess you're unscrewing that top, or you unscrewing the bottom to get access here.
The side, yeah.
So completely serviceable.
We can change every single part in this whole shop from top to bottom in this workshop.
So actually, if you buy a set of these, it can last your whole lifetime.
Exactly.
That's like an exhaust thickness, just by the way.
So 75mm with an external reservoir with a dual speed control, DSC. So you get a high speed and low speed control. So this bigger one is when you hit the big ditches, all of a sudden, and it's quick movement. That one controls it. Okay. This is the smaller one for when you're driving off-road and you're going slow over things, so it makes the vehicle stable.
Okay.
We're not doing any rebound control on this. It's not adjustable, but it's already built in. And the nice thing about FOX, besides the fact that we do all services in South Africa, every single part in the shop we've got in stock. Feel it and give me some feedback if we need to do some more changes on the valving. I think it will. This will be new. You're going to need to, when you drive it, feel for certain things. I'll brief you on that, and yeah, take it from there.
That's the FOX 2.0. I just reached across. There happened to be one on their workbench here. The difference, the hose, the canister, but look at the size of this thing, man. You'll have seen from the footage downstairs what's happening, and I did a little Facebook live thing just to poke a stick at the bear and to get things moving. You said it's out of the Dodge Ram. The Dodge Ram, yes. The Dodge is a heavy car, heavy vehicle also. So, But I think there's not a lot of Dodge Ram owners here, but there's lots of Patrol owners and lots of cruiser owners with heavy cars. The old 80 series that are loaded for overland, a lot of Patrols. So this is actually an excellent solution for a lot of those guys that want especially long overlanding trips with 100 kilometers of corrugations. These bad boys are going to eat it.
Exactly.
I'm going to the Patrol 70th anniversary at Gurapan. It'll be the first time I'm driving June, so it'll be the first long trip on long roads, which I guess will be a good test for, because you can get you can get fatigue if you're trying to keep wrestling a car to the ground the whole time. That makes you tired. So I imagine it's gonna make it. I'll also be able to dial stuff in a little bit more on depending on the roads, just to get a better feel. So I'm looking forward to it. Again, thanks Corne. Like, subscribe down here below.